Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. I am using the Felicity Jane Hope Kit for this process video, and you'll see I have that greenish gray polka dot paper that I had gutted I think during my first layout that I used this kit for, and I'm going out of my comfort zone and trying not to use white cardstock. Yay, go me. So I decided I'm going to do a horizontal layout this time, and I'm trying to decide what to put right in the middle of this layout. Should I use that plain gray, or should I use a colored cardstock to go across? I end up using the pink and white gingham, and I'm cutting that down to about 4 inches, and I'll adhere that down right in the middle. This picture is a picture of me with my 4 kids on Mother's Day, and I don't have that many pictures of me and just the kids where someone else is taking the picture, so it's not a selfie. So I treasure this picture so much. I don't have much to journal on there because I just wanted to document or just do a layout with this photo that we have. So I am going ahead and layering, backing up my photo. I did it on that green gray paper first, and then I'm going to do it onto the white flower paper, the black and white stripe paper, the yellow and white gold paper, and then I am going to use the files, the mini file folders that came with the kit. So cute. I wanted to put some pictures in there, but I ended up not doing that because if I put it in a page protector, you won't be able to access the photos, and plus I didn't want to hide the file folder itself. So I go ahead and adhere the photo down. It's kind of to the left, so it's again going to be kind of a diagonal where the eye takes you diagonally down. And I am using the Hope Girl in this layout. I love the Felicity Jane girls. I wish that she sold these die cuts all by themselves. Of course, I do have the stamp, and the stamp set of Hope, or the girls, I usually use in my planners or to make cards. So I'm using the alphas that came with the kit, and they came with both alphas, the white polka dot and this pink, and my title is My Favorite Humans. Now this is a really quick layout that I'm doing, and although this is one of my favorite pictures, this layout is not one of my favorites, but that's how you learn what styles to do, and I don't want all my layouts in my albums to look exactly the same. White cardstock. Lots of white space and some journaling, but this one doesn't even have journaling. And I ran out of M and N's, so I used the U backwards for the N in humans and the W upside down for M. But if you look really quickly, you can't really tell, you know, unless you're actually looking for it, which I'm telling you that I did. I go ahead and put the Hope Girl to the right-hand side of the photo. And she's looking backwards with her backpack, and I carry a backpack around, especially when the kids were little. That was my diaper bag. I carried a backpack as a diaper bag, but now I can just carry a regular handbag because no one's in diapers anymore. And again, my paper clip to the top left hand of the photo. I do end up using the ampersand onto the top left hand side of the photo as well. After that, I go ahead and I'm going to splatter it with the Heidi Swapp black. Again, if you know of a black ink that I can use to splatter that is more readily available, because I think Heidi Swapp is not making those anymore or selling them anymore. If you could leave down below what you think would be a good black splatter for me, please let me know down below. I do end up using this gray and white striped or black gingham file folder, and I'm going to put that to the right hand side of my photo as my date, and I use the Felicity Jane date stamp with the VersaFine black onyx, and I'm going to go ahead and just stick that right there. Then I'm going to, of course, pop up some using the Stampin' Up! Foam dimensionals, my favorite foam dimensionals, and I use that, I get those from my Stampin' Up! Rep. I need to figure out how to link her down below. Okay, anyway, I'll have to figure that out another time. I do go ahead and splatter with black, and after I do that, I realize, man, I don't have much on here because I didn't do journaling. I just have the date. So I go back through my die cuts and I see these hexagons that came with the kit. So I'm going to do a hexagon cluster to the bottom right-hand side. I cut one in half, the polka dot one, and then I'm going to adhere 2 other hexagons. And then I'm going to use the word home, the die cut, and I'm going to pop that up using the Stampin' Up! Foam Dimensionals. The hexagon that I cut in half, I'm going to put to the top left of my layout, adhere that down, and I'm going to put a heart there using my Stampin' Up! Foam Dimensionals as well. And there you have it. That's my layout. Quick, easy, not my favorite layout, but my favorite photo. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you know of anyone who would enjoy these types of process videos, please share my channel with them. That would help me out so much. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.